1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Which number is this? 4. Which number is this? Now tell me, which number is this? 1. Show me number 2. 2. Very good, Anup. This is number 3. Very good. Take out another number. This is number, I think this is 6. 6. This is number 6. Now take out another number. This is number 8. Very good. And this is number 7. Very nice. Now tell me, which number is this? 0. Very good, Anup. This is number 9. And tell me, which number is this? 1. Very good, Anup. Look here. Very good. इस तरह का नंबर का जो है आप बनाकर बच्चों से प्रैक्टिस करवा सकते हैं. इट इज वेरी इजी, सिंपल. वेरी गुड, Anup. You have done very well.